Hey guys, my name is Manish Mehta and I just want to ask you one simple question. Do you really want to make eye-catching, amazing whiteboard animation? If your answer is yes, then this course is for you. Because in this course, I'm going to teach you step by step how to make amazing whiteboard animation that you can use to share your thought, your story with your audience. And I'm going to teach you all the tools, all the features about VideoScribe software, so you don't need to worry about anything. After finishing this course, you will become an expert VideoScribe editor. You will be able to make amazing whiteboard animation videos. And top of that, in this course, we are going to make one live project, which is Elon Musk biography. So we are going to make Elon Musk biography from scratch. You're going to see me creating live Elon Musk biography from scratch, step by step. So if you really want to learn VideoScribe software and be able to make amazing whiteboard animation videos, then I highly suggest you to enroll this course right now and start your journey to learn VideoScribe software so that you can share your story, your thoughts with your audience. So what are you waiting for? Enroll this course right now and I will see you in the course. So hey guys, first of all I would like to thank you for enrolling this amazing VideoScribe course. Guys, one thing that I can assure you about is that after finishing this course you will be able to make amazing animations videos using VideoScribe software. So basically in this lecture we are going to learn about how we can download the VideoScribe software in our computer system. So it's quite easy guys actually. As you can see I have already downloaded the VideoScribe software and if you want to download this software, all you have to do is just open your web browser. You can use any kind of web browser here. I'm using Microsoft Edge. You can use Chrome, Firefox, Google Chrome, Mozilla, any kind of web browser. So you just have to go to Google and search VideoScribe. Okay, then you have to open this first website, which is the official website of VideoScribe. So just click on the website. So this is the website of the VideoScribe. Here you can download the VideoScribe software. You just have to click on this free trial button. So I click on this free trial button here, and then you have to make an account for VideoScribe, and this is the account that you also need when you are using the VideoScribe software. So it means you have to sign in. You need to sign in before using the software. So always make sure that you make a legit account. Don't make the fake account. But I have I have my own account here, so I don't need to make the account. But if you want to download the VideoScribe software, you have to make an account. So let's just quickly make a temporary account because I already have one account of VideoScribe. So let's just type Alex. Yeah, I'm making a temporary account. So let's say Alex0011 @gmail.com. Copy this account. Yeah, so after doing that you will be able to download the VideoScribe software. All you have to do is just click on the download button. So I click on the download button here, and you can download the VideoScribe for the Mac and for the Windows as well. So I'm using Windows system here, so I click on the download Windows 64-bit, and our download is started here, as you can see. So, but I have already downloaded this software in my computer and already installed it, so I don't need to download it again. So I just cancel it. As you can see here, we have already installed the software. So once your download is completed, all you have to do is just install that software, and after installing you would see this type of icon, VideoScribe icon. So do that, and